Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So I've been skeptical about the market. Like I believe now market has rallied too much. In fact, for the last 8 or 10 trading session, market has gone from I'm talking about Nifty 16,800 to almost 17,800, more than 1,000 points rally. Now I am expecting some correction, and in fact I have also gone short in Nifty and few shorts in Bank Nifty also. That is because I am seeing signs of loss of momentum in market. There is no buying interest. Of course, FIIs have bought for around I think more than 1,600 crores even today. But I think my instinct says that the market may correct slightly, maybe till 17,500 or 17,000 17,500 levels. Anyway, 17,500 level is acting as a good support, right? So with that perspective, I have shorted the market, and even if it goes on the higher side. So this is the Bank Nifty chart. If you see here, there is a doji pattern here, right? So doji pattern always says that market is indecisive. In spite of this legendary investor Rakesh Chunjunwala passed away at 62. He just started Akasha Air. In spite of all this, his stocks, I think Titan. If you see here, Titan also performed today. I was expecting Titan will not perform today, but to my surprise it performed. So Bank Nifty, I am expecting some correction, maybe around 37,300 levels, and Nifty maybe 17,500 level is what I expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So both indecisiveness, you can say, see, there is no denial. You may have a different perspective about the market. You may not agree with me. That is absolutely correct. But I have shorted the market. Maximum market may go till 18,000. Maybe tomorrow it will go. Maybe after a few days it will go. That we don't know. But correction is due, and I expect a correction. And as I told you, I have shorted this market, right? Now FIIs have been net buyers for a very long time. I wouldn't say long time, maybe for 10 or 15 trading sessions they have been continuously buying, and they will continue to buy. All these things which were in our like books, like there were a negative sentiment when it comes to interest rate hike, and everything seems to be factored into, right? Now you don't expect the market to go in one direction. We need some correction, and whatever is going to happen now, or what should happen now, should be a healthy correction. So that is what I expect. So I have shorted the market, not a heavy short, but very light short. In case the market goes up, I will have to break my head, and we'll see. I hope market should correct at least for another maybe 200 or 300 points. And today there was really many news when it comes to India specific. Wholesale price inflation data was out. WPI inflation year on year was out, which was out by 13.39%. So earlier it was out by 15.18%. So if you see here, it was out by 15.18%, but now it is 13.98%. And year on year manufacturing was also out, which was at around 8.16%. Previously it was around 9.19%. A small decrease in manufacturing Indian wholesale price index change. So it was 13 I am showing you the same chart again. Let me go back and show you the manufacturing. This is the manufacturing year on year. Okay, I think there is some issue with the system. So anyway, it was, let me show you here itself. Inflation is down to 13.93%, and manufacturing is also down to 8.16%. So this is the obvious thing. Whenever your overheads are going to increase or overheads are increasing, you will see manufacturing also going down, because interest rates are increasing. They have increased the interest rate, which means your loans are going to get expensive, and people tend to not go and buy goods in cars or any other things in loan. So this is a simple thing, simple logic behind the increase in interest rate. Apart from that, as I told you, FIIs have shorted the mark. Sorry, FIIs have bought. I told 1,600 crores. It's not 1,600 crores. It's 1,376 crores, right? So as I told you, I am shorting the market for tomorrow. In fact, I have short position. Not big short position, but very light position. In case the market goes up, we'll have to do some adjustment. So let's see if this time we are going to make money or not shorting the market. So I am going against the trend. That is the main thing here. That is the main thing you have to note. Everybody is bullish in the market. FIIs are bullish in the market. Retailers are bullish in the market. Proprietary desk is bullish in the market. But I'm not bearish in the market. I wouldn't say I'm bearish in the market. I feel that the market may correct. That's why I have shorted the market. Otherwise, I also was long in the market. In fact, last 2 or 3 2 weeks, I was long in the market. And this month turned out to be an excellent month. After so many days, I think after April month, we are back to normal. In fact, we are making money, decent profits for the last 2 or 3 weeks. In fact, last month also we made good profit, around 2%. This month also we'll end up in a good profit. I think if there is no any big major violent moves, or there is no any big negative news in the market, that's what we anticipate, right? So I'm not saying you have to short the market. As I told you again and again, I'm saying my view is market may correct slightly, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. That's why I have shorted the market. It doesn't mean you have to short the market. So let us see how things pan out. There is no any big news today. In fact, if you see, both Nifty and Bank Nifty was in a range bound manner. It was trading in a range bound manner. That's because, as I told you, there is a loss of momentum. If you see here, if I convert this Nifty chart to a 5 minutes chart, you will see that all day long it was between 17,760 and 18,840. That's merely maybe 50 or 50, not even 50 points yet, maybe 70 or 80 points. And Bank Nifty was actually, Nifty was performing, but Bank Nifty was not performing because of one or other reason. I think, let me check what is the issue with Bank Nifty. Yeah, Bank Nifty actually took the today's open, which was around 39,200. And the thing which was happening, or the stock which was dragging Bank Nifty, was maybe Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India. State Bank of India was down by 1%. Bank of Baroda was up by 1.3%. And HDFC was performing today. It was up by 1.14%. AU Small Finance, Bandhan Bank. And there was some issue with Muthoot Finance and Malappuram Gold. I really don't know what was the issue. It was a very huge gap down, I think, more than 5 or 7 or 8%, I think. So that is the thing, concern news on about here. And if you see the US futures are kind of trading in the red. When our market closed, US futures were down by Dow Jones was down by 62 point, around, it was positive. When our market closed, it was positive. Now it is down by less than 0.5%. Europe is green, but the US market is slightly in the red. And SJX Nifty is also kind of flat, showing red. So this is the wrap up of, I think I have summarized all the news I have. So let's see how things pan out. As I told you, I have shorted the market. Let's see if I win tomorrow or not. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.